And welcome back to the Quarantine Kitchen. Today we're making fluffy American pancakes. First of all, you'll need 250 grams of flour, plain or self-raising is fine, 250 ml of milk, 60 grams of caster sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 lightly beaten eggs. And don't forget the vanilla extract, just to give it that extra bit of luxury. But first, we better wash our hands. Nice and clean. So first we go straight in with the flour, then the sugar, and the salt, baking powder, and give it a good mix up. Then we need to add the milk. Make sure you get all the clumps from the sides. And then add the eggs. Looking nice and smooth now. Now with the melted butter. Keep it moving, you don't want any cooked eggs in here. Almost forgot the vanilla. Just a few drops, about half a teaspoonful. And now the batter's made, it's time to make the pancakes. So first of all we need to preheat the pan to medium and then spray in some cooking oil. Add our batter. Now the pancakes have been cooking for a while. Take a good look to see when bubbles start forming on top of the pancakes. So there's been some bubbles now, so let's check and see if they're cooked. Not quite yet. Not quite. Don't need flipping. Well, that one's alright. And that one's okay as well, I think. Must be a colder part of the pan. We'll leave those other ones just for a couple of minutes. Okay, the front ones look ready now, so we'll take those out of the pan. Keep them nice and warm on a warm plate. And we'll just flip the last two. Give those a couple of minutes. Not quite there yet. There we go, perfect. Now all that's left to do is add some maple syrup and some warm butter. I really hope you enjoyed those, so like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.